imperfect action beats perfect inaction every single time. So now you're taking action, but if you're doing it the old way, you're still gonna burn yourself out. Because the next thing you need to unlearn is point number 5, you need to work hard. Everyone says, work hard, grind harder, put in the hours, Work scared. That's the answer. Work hard, that's for people that never move forward. What they mean to say that most people don't hear is do the thing that you're avoiding. I believe our fear is a perfect compass for where we should be focusing our time. Because fear stands for false evidence appearing real, which means on the other side of that is everything you've wanted. Just because you can grind for 18 hours doesn't mean you're making any progress. Don't confuse movement with progress. Stanford actually came out with some research that said that if people work more than 50 hours, there's a massive decline in productivity anyway. Someone working 70 hours usually gets the same amount of work done as someone working 55 hours. It's just the person that sits down and does the thing that moves the business forward, moves their life forward in those 50 hours are gonna get better results. The brain tattoo I want you to put on your brain is that the stuff that scares you is the stuff that shapes you. So here's how you can find and tackle the scary one.